We are creating a new project. We currently click the Create Sketch button to create a sketch. When you click the Create Sketch button, 3 planes appear in the workspace, XY, XZ, and YZ. Clicking on the XY plane with your mouse indicates that you will be sketching on the XY plane. When you select a plane in freecad, the Sketcher workbench will automatically open, allowing you to draw various 2D shapes on it. We now select and activate the Circle Drawing tool. We then move the cursor to the center point of the coordinate and click once. Subsequently, we move the cursor away from the center point, and we can see that we are already drawing a circle. We can directly input the diameter size of the circle on the keyboard. Here we enter 55 and press Enter to confirm. When all the lines in our drawing turn green, it means all the parameters of the shapes in the sketch have been determined, and we can click the Close button to exit the sketch workbench. Once we exit the draft workbench, freecad immediately jumps back to the part design workbench. When we click the pad button, the pad operation will generate a 3D model based on our sketch. Here, we will see a cylinder, which we can further set its height to 70 mm in the parameter panel. Once the settings are complete, we can click the OK button to end this operation. Here's a quick tip. You can click the Home key on your keyboard to position the model in your workspace at a standard viewing angle. We used the left mouse button to select the plane on top of the cylinder. Please note that we are clicking the plane and not the edge lines. Once selected, the target area will be highlighted. We then click on the Thickness button to enable the thickness operation. Set the thickness value in the parameter panel to 3 mm, and then uncheck the Make Thickness Inwards option. After doing this, click the OK button to exit the operation. In Blender Navigation Style mode, you can rotate the model's viewpoint by holding down the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse. You can move the model's position in the viewport by holding down the Shift key and then holding down the middle mouse button and dragging the mouse. We select the bottom face of the cup and use the fillet operation, which will create a smooth chamfer on the bottom edge. We set the chamfer radius to 3 mm and then click the OK button to complete the operation. Scrolling the mouse wheel zooms the viewport, which makes it easier to operate. Now, we click and select the circular face on the top of the cup, and then use the fillet operation again. This time, we'll just use the default radius of 1 mm. We have now finished drawing the body of the cup.